This is the Fabuloso Multi-Purpose Cleaner. We use this for our floors. Just put a little bit in our mop bucket mixed with some hot water, and it works super well. I love this one specifically because it smells really good, and I love it because this bottle will literally last us at least a year because you really just need a tiny little drop of cleaner and then it works for the whole thing, which is really nice. I also love that it's a bleach alternative because I don't love to use bleach on my hardwood floors. I feel like just probably not best for them, and also then I don't have to worry about anything else getting bleached, whether it be our socks from walking on the floor or what. So that's really nice. I like that this is just a multi-purpose cleaner. Works really well. We use it about once a week and I feel like it cleans our floors very nicely.